What's good, YouTube gang, man? I'm back, man. 3 days later to finish this fucking vlog, man. I had to order these parts. They were some dealer parts, man, so I had to wait 2 to 3 business days to get them in the mail. Finally got them. Now it's time to go put the motherfuckers on the bike so we can get this vlog done, man. If you're watching right now, like, subscribe, man, turn on post notifications, man, because like I said, the content is coming daily, man. So I ain't gonna talk too much, man. I'm about to put this bitch in drive and hit the freeway, you feel me, gang? And I'll see y'all when we finally get to the bike. Actually, y'all gonna see me at the Power Sports store because I gotta go get the parts from the Power Sports store. I ordered them there. But the good thing about that is, this is one of the best Power Sports stores probably in the fucking world. Here, y'all, this is the Power Sports store right here, man. So, about to pull up in here, see what we can do. Back here. Man, I'm gonna run up in here and grab this shit, man. I'll be back in a second. Alright, got everything. Got the bolts, O-ring, man, and the helmet, man. Chrome daddy. No more riding without a helmet, man. Give me a trail helmet. I ride my trails, and then when I get ready to hit that dirt, but for the most part, when I'm just riding in the hood, riding through the streets, I'm throwing that half, boy. So, bruh, it is snowing in Michigan, bruh. 37 degrees, man. Let's get to it. As you can see, I just put this O-ring on the oil filter, man. Had to get a new one. That's focused, man. Just put it on there, man. So we about to get everything tightened back up. Like, just got the oil in, put the cap back on, we all good, check the levels, no leaks. So now it's time to take out this air filter, man. And as you can see, it's dirty. I need to go ahead and get this cleaned up right now. Enough talking, man. Let's get it off. Let's get it clean, man. Alright, man, just took the filter out of the solvent. Just put in some soapy water, man, just to get all the oil and shit, all the solvent out. About to come up here, clean this real quick, man. Get this a nice little rundown with the contact cleaner, WD-40 type shit. So I'll get back to you in a minute, man. Alright, so cleaned up the air box, man. It's looking way better. You feel me? Whew, crisp.